Attention Tundra owners, if your 4LO is acting up, here's what you need to know. First things first, make sure your truck is in neutral. Your Tundra's 4LO won't engage unless the transmission is in neutral. Next, check your speed. The 4LO system only works when you're driving under 5 miles per hour. If you're speeding, it simply won't kick in. Now take a look at your dashboard. Is the 4LO indicator blinking? This usually means the system is trying to engage but can't. Turn your truck off, wait a few seconds, then restart it. This can often reset the system. Still not working? Inspect your shift actuator. It's a small but crucial part that can fail. If you're unsure how to do this, consult your owner's manual or a professional. Finally, check for any error codes. Modern Tundras have onboard diagnostics that can clue you in on specific issues. Use an OBD2 scanner or visit your local mechanic for help. So remember, neutral gear, slow speed, reset your system, check the actuator, and scan for codes. Simple steps to get your 4LO working again. Thanks for watching and happy driving.